Today we have a Takeuchi TL12V2 high flow skid steer. Just going to go over some of the details on it, show the inside of the cab, some of the features that are available on this machine, and let's get started. Let's do a walk around. Okay, this machine's almost a 112 horse machine. It's a rubber track machine. The nice features on it is for your feel for your DEF and your diesel. It's got a button here. When you're filling it, it'll actually buzz at you before it overflows and spits it back out. It's a pretty neat feature. Walking around over here on your normal, your high flow, and your auxiliary circuits. One thing that's really nice, it's got a pressure release on there. You can pull, because you know when the pressure's on there, sometimes it's hard to pop off and get back on. So that's a good feature. Get back so I can get a full view of it. Looks like that's probably a slide lock to hold the bucket up if you're working on it. All your pins, the grease certs, easy to grease. Another one up here on the top. Around back, this thing also has a backup camera, which is really nice. I think this screen is locked. Get the key and we'll get that opened up here in a second. Show you under that. It's probably so you can just clean your condenser for your air conditioner. Notice down on the floor when you get in, you can see your hydraulic fluid level. That's nice. Right. Let's get the door shut. Let's start this thing up. Yes, it does come with the radio built in. Your AC controls, turn that down. Air compressor, cold, hot. Come over here. There's a screen that shows your fuel level, temperatures, hydraulic temperatures. It's got all your stuff on it. Pull your roll bar down. This is your unlock button to engage everything. Motor stick on the right, drive stick on the left, forward, reverse, all that good stuff. That's all your auxiliary switches and controls. This button here is the quick disconnect for the bucket or whatever your front attachment is. Runs that hydraulic ram there on the bucket. Exhaust cancellation. If you're inside a building, you don't want it to regenerate. Lighting, wipers. This is economy mode. Put it in economy. And it's got a knob for your throttle here. Pedal on the bottom right. Cup holder, AC vents. It's got more AC vents. It's got a cab light in the back, which is nice. Nice big window with an exit. Okay, if you look under here, there's a trigger right there. When you flip that trigger, it'll show you if you're in low or high range for your drive. vehicle does have windshield wiper on the front. You look down at the screen when you're backing up. It's a really nice feature. It does tell you you're low on fuel also while you're backing up. As you can see behind you. As soon as you go back to forward, the screen goes back to normal. Okay, so we got the key. Let's open this up, take a look at it. Very easy to clean for your AC condenser. There's your 112 horse turbocharged engine. It's 111 point something to be exact. And this unit comes in at an operating weight of 13,190 pounds with the cab. Looks like it has tail lights and backup lights also. Everything's LED on the front, LED on the back. All right, I do have the spec sheet on this, and for the hydraulic system, the auxiliary flow primary circuit is 23.2 gallons. The auxiliary flow high flow is 40.4 gallons per minute. The auxiliary flow second circuit is 23.2 gallons per minute, and your hydraulic system pressure runs at 3481 psi. I'd like to thank Sheriff Kubota for providing this Takeuchi TL12V2 machine today. I'll put a link to their website below. If you're interested in one of these machines, give them a call. I'll also add their phone number. If you got any comments or questions, just drop those below about the review. Hit that like and subscribe button, and catch you on the next one. Thanks.